The cannabis industry is growing incredibly fast, and it's becoming increasingly competitive. As demand grows, we need more infrastructure and we use more energy. It's important to us to prioritize sustainability while also keeping our operating costs down. That's why we consider energy efficiency throughout our operations. So we needed to think bigger than just upgrading our lights. Energy monitoring was the answer. By tapping into incentives through Save on Energy, we were able to install systems to collect detailed data on energy use. Now we're able to continually improve our designs as we retrofit existing facilities and build out our new ones. These upgrades are helping us to grow our operations in Ontario, to create more jobs, and to be more sustainable. And now we can take what we've learned in Ontario and implement these energy-saving initiatives in all of our facilities across Canada and around the world.